time for business, and starting with the city, which usually performs poorly during election years, has been fairly stable this year. As I explained to Portia and Parkwisi, it is currently trading at 3.9 to the US dollar on the interbank market and has only seen a depreciation of about 4.86 percentage points to the dollar. Our reporter, my Paul Soa, has been finding out if the current stability could be sustained.
Inflation for the month of October declined to its lowest level in 27 months, according to the Ghana Statistical Service. This has been attributed to the stability of the cedi against the major foreign currencies, especially the dollar, resulting in stability in prices of goods and services. But as the general elections and Christmas shopping activities gather steam, the cedi faces its biggest test yet. It is currently trading at 3.9 cedis on the interbank market, having seen only a depreciation of about 4.3% this year.
Most of the demand for the cedi, which results from people selling and buying in Christmas, has already taken place. For those people who are going to import goods that they sell during Christmas, most of them have already placed their orders in September and October. So it's unlikely that towards the end of October or even in December, we will see any pressures on the cedi.
Financial analyst with First Bank Financial Services, Edem Akpenyo, is of the opinion the cedi is on course to break the cycle of performing poorly in election years.
Stability in the cedi is likely to continue through to the end of the year, and likely up to the first quarter we should see some stability in the cedi. With the elections coming up, with various parties bringing paraphernalia and all those things, even with that demand for foreign currency to bring all those things in, we still have experienced a stable currency. So I think that it is something that we can see that in the short to medium term, we should still expect that we'll have the cedi being stable.
On an annual basis, there has not been a single year when the cedi has not lost value since the country moved from the fixed exchange rate regime to the current floating exchange rate system as part of economic reform program embarked on in April 1983.
Well, shortly I will take you to the forex market to see the figures, but let's move on to some other news tonight. And MTN has launched a campaign to educate subscribers on how to utilize its 4G service. The 4G network provides customers with the fastest internet service.
Acquired the 4G frequency spectrum for its mobile services in December last year. The MTN 4G service is currently available in all regional capitals and some towns, offering speed and reliability on the go, clearer video calling and easy streaming either directly on your mobile handset or on modems, routers, Wingles or MiFis. The telecommunication company is currently updating its customers, particularly the academia and business community, on how to fully utilize its 4G service.
Both the content providers who would like to upload their content so that others will see what it is that they have to offer, and for the consumers of those content who would like to download or even stream those video contents, there's a superior technology of 4G that allows you to do that almost at 5 to 10 times faster speed.
General Manager of Marketing Services of MTN Ghana, Richard Echampong, noted experiencing the speed of the 4G opens new possibilities.
4G is all about speed. For the business community, it means that you'll be able to do all your business transactions on mobile, on the go, being it just, ordinary email or opening email attachment. With email attachment, it doesn't matter the size. It means that you'll be able to open that attachment at faster speed, and therefore you're able to do your business at a much more improved speed.
Get a 4G device today and live on the next level. MTN 4G. Hello, future.
The MTN Mobile 4G internet service seeks to change the landscape of the telecom industry.
I was talking about the forex markets, and Well, these figures are the figures on the interbank markets. Just take note that the figures you see here differs from one bank to the other. We've had analysts saying that the cedi to its major trading currencies would remain stable. And today, this is what it is like. It is same as yesterday and some previous weeks, just that we see some changes in the indexes here. But it would be bought at 3 Ghana cedis, 97 pesos, and also sold at 4 Ghana cedis, 94 pesos for the cedi to that of the pound. It is same when it is being sold to you on the interbank markets. Well, the cedi to the euro is also being bought at 4 Ghana cedis, 25 pesos, and 4 Ghana cedis, 25 pesos is what it would be sold to you also, depending on whichever bank you decide to go and exchange your money. Just before we wrap up on business tonight, let's take one of our headline stories that government has signed a 4 major loan agreements totaling $123.82 million. Now, the loan facilities for development projects are for the Africa Development Bank and 3 others with the Federal Republic of Germany.
Government and the African Development Bank Group, AFDB, signed an $83 million facility for the Accra Urban Transport Project to contribute to integrated transport and urban development solutions in the Greater Accra region. The total cost of the project is estimated at $94 million and will demand government counterpart funding of $11 million. The Ministry of Finance assured government will stay within budget and execute the project within 36 months after a contractor comes on board.
I think we must bear in mind that this is going to come, with a terminal, with markets, schools, medical, sanitary, all the things. I hope that we took notes of that. And that is making the communities part of the project.
The AFDB resident representative, Marie-Laure Akin-Olugbade, is confident about the partnership and the prospects of the project.
We remain committed to partner with the government in its development effort, and we are certainly looking forward to the successful completion of this project within budget and on time.
3 loan agreements were signed between the government of Ghana and Germany for the Ghana Audit Service Infrastructure Project, Ghana Revenue Authority IT Training Institute, and the Pilot Photovoltaic System Project. The Finance Minister said Tekpe is optimistic about the debt management strategy of government and its capacity to help maximize borrowed funds.
More news on 3news.com. That'll do for business.